Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS Pseudo-Class. So the pseudo-classes are used to represent a special state of an element. So we can style the element based on the state of the element. Like an example, we can style one element whenever we put our mouse over that element, and also we can style it separately depending upon a link is visited or unvisited. And also we can use the pseudo class and we can style one element when the element gets the focus. So these are some of the example of the pseudo classes, and there are lot many pseudo class and we can use them and we can style elements using CSS. Like an example, we have one link which led us to the google.com. So inside the style tag we can use the anchor tag with one of the pseudo classes like the link pseudo class. So the link pseudo class, this will select the state whenever the link is unvisited. So whenever the link is unvisited, then we can style our link separately. Like an example, we can set the background color to green, and also we have another pseudo class, so a colon then the visited. So the visited pseudo class will select the state of the link where the link is visited. So whenever the link is visited, then we can style our link separately and we can set the background color as red. And also we can use the pseudo class hover. So whenever we hover our mouse over that link, then we want the background color to yellow, and you can see whenever we put our mouse over the link, the background color changes to yellow. Similarly, also we can use the pseudo class active. So whenever the link is active, means the moment we click on the link, then we can set the background color blue. So these are the pseudo classes and we can use them and we can select the special state of the link. And also it is very important to remember that the order of all of these pseudo class must be maintained. That means the hover must be after the link and the visited pseudo class, and the active pseudo class must appear at the end of all of these pseudo classes. And also we can combine our pseudo class with the CSS class. Like an example, we can create one div with some paragraph, and also we're gonna add one class called highlight. So now we can select our class div.highlight, and then we can use the pseudo class hover. So whenever we put our mouse over the element, then we want our background color to yellow and we want the font color to be red. So you can see whenever we put our mouse over the element, the background color changes to yellow and the font color changes to red. And also we can use the pseudo class and we can create one hoverable tooltip. For that I'm going to create one div, and inside that we're going to have the text called show me, and then we're going to have the paragraph. Now inside the style tag we're going to select the paragraph and we're going to use the display none to hide the element. And now we can use the div with the pseudo class hover. So whenever we hover over the div, then we want the paragraph to be display block. So initially the paragraph will be hidden, and then whenever we hover our mouse over the div, then we want the paragraph to be visible. So if we hover over the text called show me, and you can see the hidden text is visible now. So this way we can use the pseudo class and we can create one hoverable tooltip. And also we have the first child pseudo class. Like an example, we can write p colon first child, and the first child pseudo class will select the element that is the first child of an element. Like an example, we have the multiple paragraph. Now we can write p colon first child and we can style the first child separately. Like an example, we can set the background color of green, and also we can set the text color of white. So this is the way we can use the first child pseudo class. Similar way also we can use the last child pseudo class, and we can select and style the last child among the multiple paragraph. So this is the way we can use so many different pseudo classes, and we can select the state of an element, and we can style the element based on the state of the element. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.